Hello, 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 mes amours. This is Mino. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with Mino. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make a quick lunch in like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? As long as you get your stuff ready, you'll be ready to go. Okay? What I'm gonna be making for you guys is some lambi sauce with sweet plantain. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, put on my fire, adding my oil. I don't need a lot of oil. Okay, for this what I have, of course I have my lambi here. That's all ready to go. It's already cooked. I just have to make the sauce, okay? And I have my Haitian spices. I have parsley, I have onions, I have bell pepper, I have red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, I have lime, I have my scotch bonnet, and I have my parsley. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding all this. And to start it, let's start with the Haitian spices, that we cannot live without. You must have in your kitchen, okay? Give it a little steam hot. Okay. Now I'm gonna add my lambi. Adding my extra spices. I have my Creole seasoning. By now, I guess you guys know what kind of spices that I use. I'm gonna use some paprika because I will not be using tomatoes. This. I have my Creole, not my complete seasoning. The skunk is formulated, and there's the sweet taste to it. Which I like the sweet taste, that's why I add a little bit sugar. Sauver la situation, pitié mon bon berger. What you This is my sweet plantain. After it's cooked, while I put it to cook, what I add to it is a little bit of oil, salt, and cut it in half with a little bit of lime juice. Okay, so it doesn't look dark. Okay. Now I can add my peppers, the onions I'm gonna be adding at last. Okay, and maybe the lime juice. Pour sauver la situation et pitié, mon bon berger. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper to balance it out. Half of Maggi cube. Make sure it's melted in there. Scotch bonnet. A little bit of thyme. I didn't have any fresh thyme, so I'm adding the dry one. I'm gonna add a little bit Tabasco. Because we need our, we like our lamb very spicy. For sauver la situation et pitié, mon bon berger. Wow. Okay, now I'm adding a little bit of lime juice. For sauver la situation et pitié, mon bon berger. Okay, I add my onion and we are done. It's It's all done. Let me show you how am I gonna eat it. Gonna show you. Okay guys, it's all ready for you. Okay guys, this is right here. Okay, here's your plate of lambi and sweet plantain. Okay, it was a pleasure to be with you guys, and thank you for like, share and subscribe. Continue to share, like and subscribe, share with your family. Okay, and put on your notification bell so the next video that I drop, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. One love.